I have a lot of friends who don't think like me, and I have a lot of friends who do think like me. The common denominator is we're friends. At the risk of dating myself, nobody used to care that we all didn't think alike. Most people just nodded their head and went about their lives. In business, you don't get to choose who your customers are, typically. You're just happy to have customers. When we're young, we don't get to choose who we go to school with. We just go and get along the best we can. When we start a new job, we don't get to determine who we'll be working with. I'm not saying we shouldn't have a point of view or have your own way of looking at things. What I am saying is it's a big world with lots of different opinions and points of view. What I believe is live and let live. We waste so much mental energy arguing with imaginary foes that we drill ourselves into a corner. I like what actor and part-time philosopher Keanu Reeves said. I'm at that stage in my life where I keep myself out of arguments. Even if you tell me 1 + 1 = 5, you're absolutely correct. Enjoy. My take on that? Believe what you want. If you're not keeping me from pursuing my happiness, hurting me, or telling me what to think, have a great life. The reason there's both chocolate and vanilla ice cream is because people are different. We have different tastes, backgrounds, DNA, and experiences. But it doesn't mean we can't all get along and respect each other while maybe finding something good in the other person. So here's your action item and mission should you decide to accept it. Try using the poet Rumi's 3 gates before saying something. Is it true? Is it helpful? Is it kind? Before responding to someone, take a brief pause and run what you want to say through these 3 gates. It will make you calmer, happier, and open up lanes to better relationships. Want to build a quick connection with someone who might need it? Share this video. By sharing, you may help someone else, and that passes through all the gates. Remember, one hand washes the other, and together they get clean. Thank you for watching. Have a really rewarding week, and I'll see you next time. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really helps my channel, and you help other people be the best they can be. Thanks.